Hi and hello everyone. This video is about setting Python on Atom editor. Now the question is why to choose Atom. One of the most important feature of Atom is it runs as an editor as well as compiler for Python. It means you do not have to run a separate editor and compiler, and it will save you a lot of time. Generally Python runs on the command line. The Anaconda and Miniconda installations are available, but it sometimes gets very tricky because there are a lot of bugs and environmental variables that we need to set up, and therefore Atom becomes very handy. You can very easily use this as an editor and compiler. Now let's move. The first step is installing packages for Python on Atom. Now I assume that you have already installed Atom. If you haven't installed Atom, you can install it first of all downloading it from the Atom website, and you can watch my earlier video. Now you can see that I've already written small Python code, but it looks very untidy and it's not very easy to understand. The first and most important thing when we are setting Python on Atom is we need to download the packages. From file we go to settings, and there we can go to install, and from there on we can install the packages. The first package that we need to install is autocomplete-python. Here it is. I've already installed it. I just need to enable it. So when I enable it, it's going to help me write Python code more easily, and it's going to suggest me different variables, packages, methods, functions, and arguments. So I'm going to enable it. The second package that we need to install is language-python. Again, this is the package I have already installed, but I have disabled it. Now I'm enabling it, so it will be available again. Now with these two packages, I can easily write and read my Python code. I can have different suggestions, different colors while writing the code. You can see. So these two packages are when installed, you can easily write Python code in Atom. Now, in order to run the Python code, we need to go to the command line interface. But if there are two more packages, and that enables compile the code within the Python within the Atom editor, and these two packages are, one of them is script. So once again we go to settings and we write down in install, we write down. Again, this is the package I've already installed. I'm going to enable it. Now when this package is enabled, you will see here with Control Shift and P, I have this console window. I just write down run. You can see here run, script run, Control Shift P appears, and when I press this is going to run my code. You can see here it has already run my code, and it has shown the helpful minimum function, as well as it has shown the class of float for variable height. You can see, so it's directly running within the Atom editor. Another package, an important package, is platform-ide-terminal. With this package, you will see here a plus sign appearing here, and this will give you a command line interface directly from within the editor. So here it is. You can just enable it and it will be available too. You can see here it's a plus sign appearing here. So when I press this plus sign, it's going to give me the command line editor directly from within the Atom editor. So you can see here it's giving me the output directly here from this command line interface. So I hope you enjoyed. These two videos are in response to the huge love and likes and views that you have already put up in my previous video that was about setting Atom and installing Git and GitHub within Atom. Thank you.